Bonjour, salut, ça va? Ça va bien. Moi, je vais bien. Comme c'est comme ça. Bien. Yesterday we learnt negations, how to make no and not in French. Yes, une lampe. This is the question. Is this a lamp? You are going to answer no. This is how you answer. No. This is not a lamp. This is a key. This you learnt yesterday. Today we are going to learn the first auxiliary verb, verb. The verb, we are going one step forward. Être, we learn être today. Être means to be. Être, I am a boy. You are a girl. He is a boy. She is. Okay, all these things. I am. Tu es means he, you are. First listen to me. This je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. Only this one. The first word, je means I. Tu means you. Il means he. Elle means she. Nous means we. You means you all. Il, they, maybe a group of boys. Al means what? They, a group of girls. These are all pronouns. Pronoun is a word which replaces a noun. Instead of Narendran is teaching you, what do I say? I am teaching you. You understand? Instead of Narendran, I say I. Okay, these are all pronouns, subject pronouns. We will go in detail later. For the time being, just learn I, je, I, tu, you, il, he or it, elle, she or it, nous, we, vous, all of you, il, they, masculine plural, they, boys, a group of boys, elle, they, group of girls. Okay, you just learn the meaning, and this être, how it changes its spelling to every subject. For je, this être becomes suis. Understand? The suis, es, est, som, es, sont. These words are nothing but different spellings of être, different forms of être, different conjugations of être. So this SUS, ES, EST, SOM, these are all nothing but conjugation of this word only, this verb only. It's no different words. Être is getting conjugated like this. Être becomes SUS for je. Être becomes ES for tu. Être becomes EST for il, EST for al, SOMMES for nous, E circumflex TES for vous, SONT for il and al. You understand the meaning? What's the meaning? Je suis, I am. Tu es, you are. Il est, he is, or it is. Elle est, she is, or it is. Nous sommes, we are. Vous êtes, you are, all of you are. Ils sont, they are. Also, they are. Okay. You must mug up. No other shortcut. You must mug up this one. This is different. This is different. Okay. This is personal pronouns and this is the conjugation of être. This is personal pronoun. This is a conjugation of être. So this you memorize separately. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, il, elle, with the meaning I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. And être, it becomes for je suis, tu es, see, you and ye. You don't remove this you t apostrophe, no. I told you monosyllable word alone becomes t apostrophe. This is not tu, this is not tu, this is tu. Okay. It is more than one gust of air. Tu. No, it is tu. The pronunciation is tu. So it doesn't become t apostrophe. Tu es, il, repeat, il, elle, nous sommes, yes sound. Double S. When double S meets it is yes sound, when there is only single S, it becomes z. So this is nous sommes. This is Z sound. Vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Yes sound again. Repeat once again. Last time. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Meaning I am, you are, he or it is, she or it is, we are, you are, they are. Mug up. Memorize this one. Based on this one, we are going to do lot of exercises. So this is the only new grammar you have learned. It's a good progress, good development. You have come to the level of writing a test. You have come to the level of writing a test. That's wonderful. In say 10 days or 12 days, you are going to write a test for 50 marks. That's great. Remplissez. Remplissez means what? Fill up the dashes by un or une. Remplissez les tirés par un une. Could you understand what it is? Fill in the blanks by un or une. Find out the word whether it is masculine or feminine. Add un or une, what is correct accordingly. Masculine, feminine, you know, you learnt. And fill in the blanks. This carries 10 marks, 10 words, 10 marks. And écrivez means write. Les jours de la semaine. Could you understand the meaning? Write the days of the week. 7 words, 7 marks. Écrivez les mois de l'année. You can understand. What is that? Write the months of the year. Les nombres de 0 à 20. Write the numbers from 0 to 20. That carries 21 marks. 1 mark for each word. So it makes the total of 50. It hardly takes say 20-25 minutes. Be careful, write it seriously. Don't be playful. Write seriously. Take this test with due respect. And like this we will go grammar by grammar, vocabulary by vocabulary in the following classes. Till then, à bientôt, à plus tard, à demain, whatever it is. Merci. Come on, repeat. Merci. Merci means what? Thank you. Merci beaucoup.